Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to continue exercise 3.6. In the last sessions we have done first, second, third and fourth bit. Today we are going to see the fifth and the sixth bit of this exercise 3.6. I already said you this is one of the most important exercise for your boards. So let's begin with question number 5, bit number 5 and 6 of question number 1. In the fifth bit, the question is 7x minus 2y by xy is equals to 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy is equals to 5. So these are not linear equations, okay, because the variables are in denominator. We have to reduce them to linear equations, then solve them for x and y. So I have taken both the equations here, the first and the second. Now I'll try to reduce them to linear equations, pair of linear equations. So for that I can split it, 7x minus 2y by xy and 8x plus 7y by xy I can write in this way. Okay, so I have splitted that 7x by xy minus 2y by xy and this is 8x by xy and 7y by xy. Like for example, if you have 5 plus 3 by 2, you can write it as 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Yeah, you can write it or not. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 you can write like this, or this one you can split it and write like this. Okay, that's not an issue. So we have splitted it, and now I'll cancel what I can cancel in this. Let's see that now. I can cancel x, because you can see in this first one, what can I cancel? X and this x. Okay, x gets cancelled here, and here y and y gets cancelled. In this y and y gets cancelled. So if I just reduce this size, okay, so I'll cancel x and x here, so it remains 7 by y, and here I'll cancel y and y. So what remains here? 2 by x. Here I can cancel x and x, so remains 8 by y, and y here I can cancel y and y here, remains 7 by x. So I'll write the remaining terms like this. Okay, 7 by y, 2 by x is equals to 5, 8 by y plus 7 by x is equals to 15. Now if I want, I can write x, variable x first. It's not compulsory, but to keep x first, you can write minus 2 by x plus 7 by y is equals to 5, and just interchange the variables. Now after this we will follow our same previous procedure of solving these two equations. So these are still not reduced. Okay, we are in the process of reducing them because still the variable is in denominator. Okay, so now we will take, let 1 by x in this equations. Okay, I'll take these equations again here. So these are our two equations which I have taken again. Now we'll do supposition. In this 1 by x, I'll take 1 by x as u, and 1 by y I'll take as v, like we were doing for previous questions. Supposition. So 1 by x becomes u, okay, and 1 by y becomes v. So if I substitute this becomes our equations becomes minus 2u. Okay, the first equation becomes minus 2 by x becomes minus 2u, and 7 by y becomes 7v, because u and v we have to substitute, is equals to 5, and 7 by x becomes 7u, and this becomes 8v. I already said you this, how it becomes. 7 by x can be written as 7 into 1 by x. Okay, and what is 1 by x? 1 by x is u, so this becomes 7u like this. Okay, so 7u plus 8v is equals to 15. Now these are our equations. So these are our equations. I'll name them as equation 3 and 4. Okay, so we'll simplify these two equations by any method. Like few students were facing difficulty in understanding substitution method, so I have changed it to elimination now. I have done elimination method for you. So here you can see minus 2u, what are our equations? Minus 2u plus 7v is equals to 5, and the other equation is 7u plus 8v is equals to 15. Now we'll simplify this by elimination. So let's see how to do it by elimination method. Okay, these are our equations. Okay, I have taken both the equations here. So how to make this to eliminate, how to make this u, coefficient of u, equal. So I'll try to make this coefficients of u equal. So I'll multiply 7 here, 7 multiplies here, and this 2 multiplies here. Okay, so into 7 if I do here, and this 2 I'll multiply here. So what happens if you multiply both the sides by 7? It becomes 7 2s are 14, and 7 7s are 49, and 5 7s are 35. Okay, next 7 2s are 14, 8 2 times is 16, and 15 2 times is 30. Okay, so this is the way we multiply both the sides by 2. This is very simple elimination method. For those who still have a doubt, just you should make this coefficients of any one variable, any one, you can make even for u or for v, equal. How to make them equal? Multiply 7 here, multiply 2 here on both the sides. So here you can see I can eliminate minus 14u plus 14u. So 49 plus 16 is 65v, and this is also 65. So v is equals to 1. Substitute this v is equals to 1 in any one of the equations. So I am substituting in equation number 4. Equation number 4. Okay. So 7u plus 8v, in place of v I'll write 1 because v is 1. Okay. So simplifying this further, 7u is equals to 15 minus 8, and 7u is equals to 15 minus 8 is 7. So u is equal to 7 by 7, u is equals to 7 by 7, that is 1. So u is equals to 1 we have got. Okay, so v is equals to 1 and u is equals to 1. These two values I'll take here. Okay, but we have to find x and y. We have got u and v value, u is 1 and v is 1, but do we have to find u and v? No, we have to find x, y. So we'll go to our supposition part. What we assumed, 1 by x is equals to u and 1 by y is equals to v. We assumed it here. Hope you remember it. This assumption we should substitute back in this assumption to find x and y values. So u is 1, you can see here, and v is also 1. So it becomes x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. So this is the way we solve this type of equations. Same thing we have to do in this. Now what is the only difference between this and this equations? You can just see, you can see what is the difference between these two equations, these two questions. Xy is in the denominator here, xy is taken in the cross multiplication, that's all. There is no big difference between 5th and 6th bit. So xy is in the denominator, we directly splitted it in 5th bit. In 6th bit xy is not in the denominator, it is along with 6, okay, on the right hand side. So it's very simple, we'll bring it in the denominator. Okay, we can bring it in the denominator. How? Let's see that now. So I'll bring it in the denominator by dividing by xy on both the sides. So if I divide by xy on both the sides, this xy and xy will get cancelled, remains only 6 here, and this xy and xy will get cancelled, remains only 5. So that xy came in the denominator. Okay, Then next we'll proceed with the same like we have done just now. We'll split it, then I'll cancel x and x, so 6 by y, and y 3 by x remains here. 6 by y and 3 by x. Here if I cancel, here if I split, I'll get like this: 2x by xy and 4y by xy is equals to 5. What can you cancel here? X and x, so 2 by y remains, and cancel y and y, 4 by x remains, is equals to 5. Now we'll follow the same procedure what we did in the previous question, by assuming we'll assume 1 by x is equals to u and 1 by y is equals to v. Okay, we'll put the values, so our equations become like this. Okay, it's not compulsory to arrange, I said you. So here I kept as it is, first y then x. So in place of 1 by y I'll write x v. So this 6 by y becomes 6v, because 1 by y is v, and 3 by x becomes 3u. And the second equation, 2 by y becomes 2v, and 4 by x becomes 4u, because 1 by x is u is equals to 5. Okay, so finally we'll get two equations. We'll solve these two equations. I have done it by elimination method again. Okay, so here when you do by elimination method, you can see the coefficients of u are 3 and 4, so I'll make them equal. I'll multiply 4 here, I'll multiply 3 here. This will become into 4 and this becomes into 3. Okay, cross multiply, so multiply 4 with both the sides, multiply 4 on both the sides, so this becomes 6 4 is 24, 4 3 is 12, and 6 4 is 24. Then 3 you multiply here, 2 3 times is 6 and 4 3 times is 12 is equals to 5 3 times is 15. Okay, now I'll change the sign. You should not just ignore this. Okay, ignore that. Now we cannot cancel it directly. Okay, can we cancel it directly? No, we cannot cancel it directly. So what to do here? We should change the sign. What we should do? Change the signs. How to change the sign? Let's see that now. So to cancel this 12y, I cannot cancel them directly, so I should change the signs. So let's change their signs. This becomes plus, become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. So I can cancel 12y, 12u minus 12u. I can eliminate. 24 minus 6 is 18v, and this is 9, and v is equal to 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2 if you cancel it. Okay, substitute this v is equal to 1 by 2 in any one of the equations. I am substituting in equation number 1. What is our equation number 1? I'll say equation number 3. 6v is what? 1 by 2, and cancels 2 3 times, and 12u is equal to 15 minus 3, that is u is equals to 1. So finally we have got u is equals to 1 and v is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, then I'll substitute it back here. U is 1 and v is 1 by 2. I'll substitute back in our assumptions. So u place I am writing 1 and v place I am writing 1 by 2. Cross multiply, or you can say directly x is equals to 1. 1 is equal to 1 by x, so you can say x is equals to 1, and 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by y. Just reciprocate this, it becomes 2 is equals to y. Okay, it was 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by y, so if you reciprocate, what happens? It becomes 2 by 1 is equal to y by 1. So 2 by 1 is equal to y by 1 is nothing but y is equals to 2. So x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. These are the solutions of our equations. I solved it by elimination. If you are comfortable with substitution, you can even use substitution method here. Okay. Thank you.